Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nothing Phone 3 and let me share with you how to fix app crashing. So I highly recommend starting with the force stop. So let's pretend I've got the problems with Instagram. So just tap on it and hold it and then go to app info. So unfortunately it is closed, so I'm not sure, so that's why I cannot tap on force stop. But sometimes the apps will work in the background even though they will not be shown on the recents. So after entering this app info, simply tap on force stop and your device will immediately turn it off. Then I highly recommend to go to storage and cache, and usually the apps which we're using will have a lot of cache saved. So simply tap on clear cache here and your device will remove those junk files. They are not necessary, so you can easily remove them and to free some memory and the app memory. After that, I highly recommend to soft reset your device or force restart. It's totally up to you, but alright, we have to press the power button and volume up button together and then simply tap on restart. The restart option will, let's say, confirm all of the changes connected with this one app. Hopefully after this operation it will work perfectly fine again. If not, I highly recommend to check for the updates. So basically you will have to find and open the Play Store. Of course, make sure that you've got the internet connection and I highly recommend to use Wi-Fi, and you will have to be logged into your Google account. If you're not sure how to do it, you can check our tutorial of how to add or remove a Google account in this specific device, or you can do it on your own. And after that you've got two different ways which you can use. So either you can simply tap on search and enter the name of the app, for example Instagram. After that, if there is the update pending, instead of open, your device will show you update. So just tap on update and your device will download the newest version and then install it and apply it automatically. And after that, it should work fine. If not, you can also try to uninstall it. So after entering specific app, you will see this uninstall option. So just tap on uninstall, your device will uninstall basically the app, and then you can try to tap on install again, to install it again in the memory, and it will immediately apply the newest version, so there is a possibility that it will work fine. Another thing which you can try to do is to check for the software updates. So just go to the settings, then scroll down and go to the system. And here on the third position, we've got system updates, because basically the older system versions are also able to affect the apps. After tapping on this section, check what kind of information you will have here. If you've got something like that, then it means that you're all set and you do not have any kind of update. But sometimes your device will show you that there is update pending. It will show you the information about it, what has been fixed, for example, what has been added. And then I highly recommend to tap on download or install, which will appear somewhere here, and apply the new update. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.